Good evening, sir. My name is Shivashkar and my teammates are Logini, Pavitra and Kavita. So today we are going to present cyberpreneurship case study.
The question one. Five types of social media platform have a user by each company to advertise its brands and product. The first one is Nike. Facebook is the social media platform of choice for the social media marketers. Brands use it for several purposes including for promotion, customer engagement, discussion, and even for customer service. Nike has also utilized it for a branding and marketing. They are followed by photos, videos, and updates. There are more than 29 million followers of Nike on Facebook alone. The photos and videos are related to a Nike products and marketing champions, and several sorry, of them related to the event sponsored around the world by Nike. These photos and videos are shared and liked extensively, and the fans also share their feelings about Nike products and even on Facebook. The second one is Twitter. Nike and Nike.com are two Twitter accounts related to Nike on Twitter with 7.2 million and 4.45 million followers each respectively. Nike has other accounts too, like NYC and Nike Run Club. Like Facebook, Nike promotes its brands and product as well as an event throughout the several accounts and regularly tweets to its fans and followers. It publishes its photos and videos of its products and events throughout the Twitter account. Twitter can be an excellent marketing platform for social media marketers. Third one, Instagram. This is the one of most favorite social media platform for the fashion brands. Several fashion brands, including Zara and H&M, have utilized it to connect with the millions of their fans and followers. Instagram is mainly a picture sharing platform where you can share pictures, like them, and follow others. There are more than 74.5 million followers of Nike on Instagram alone. Fans also comment on the pics and videos posted by Nike on Instagram. Can be a wonderful platform for engaging your fans and can alone provide access to a very large fan base. The fourth one is Pinterest. Pinterest is also a good platform where you can share the pictures and a suitable one for fashion marketers. There are several accounts in the name on Nike on Pinterest and particularly Nike Woman has the highest number of followers around 205k. The fifth one is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform with features for sharing commenting and liking videos. Videos are a major part of Nike's marketing strategy. Apart from its main channel, Nike has other channels like Nike Football and Nike Basketball. Each devoted to a different game. Nike's promotional videos are made to inspire energy and enthusiasm. These videos are made to inspire athletes to push the line further and to engage the fans. In its main account, Nike has uploaded 275 videos and has more than 671,000 followers. The second one is McDonald's. Facebook, with more than 78.5 million followers, the Facebook page of McDonald's looks quite popular, and a very high number of marketers and brand use Facebook. After all, it is the leading social media platform with the highest number of users. Has the largest social media website. Facebook boasts of then 2.2 billion monthly active users. No company or marketer will find a big users and customers accessible on any other platforms on the entire web. The level of user engagement on both Facebook and Instagram can quick high. Twitter. Twitter is also a social media platform that attracts marketers in a very large numbers. It has got same attractive features that are quick suit- suited to a real-time marketing and interaction. McDonald's has a more than 3.5 million followers on Twitter, which is a large fan base for a fast food brand. Most of its reviews, including KFC, Subway, Burger King, and Wendy's, have a fever. McDonald's used this one too sparingly, with the number of tweets remaining limited to one a day and five to seven a week. It has a user Twitter also mainly for promotions and to turn excitement around new products and deals. Instagram. Insta also a very attractive platform to market their business and promote their product or services. McDonald's has a got 3.3 million followers on Insta and has a made around 500 posts including videos and images. However, the main focus of the brand promotions on this social media platform, it does not use Insta for discussion or to promotion on this social media platform. It does not use Insta for discussion or address customer issues. Promotional videos or images which either promote new deals or items on the new menu. While this help at the staying connected with the users, it also help maintaining the right image in the eyes of users. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is mainly the social media platform for professionals. Any business uses it for branding as well and to stay connected with an educated scale audience made up for working professionals. Even as a platform related mainly to employment, LinkedIn offers some great opportunities for a branding as well as a marketing. McDonald's is using an effective strategy to exploit all the benefits that LinkedIn offers. Number of McDonald's followers LinkedIn a little higher than 650K. McDonald's also does not let any opportunity to showcase the success of employee and training programs without a LinkedIn. YouTube. YouTube also boasts of a very large audience which is around 1.9 billion month active users per month. However, it seems McDonald's is that it's not trying to exploit this opportunity to its fullest. The number of followers of McDonald's on YouTube is a little less than 400K. Moreover, the number of videos uploaded by a McDonald's even less than 50. Most of them are sorry, promotional videos promoting the items on McDonald's menu. Some of them are related to branding. McDonald's can use videos more regularly to active engage users. Third one, Coca-Cola. Facebook is also a social media platform that can be double the power of your marketing game. Coca-Cola's Facebook game is even amazing. It is a more than 102 million followers and posts updates on every aspect of its business. Its Facebook strategy is an important part of its branding strategy. Coca-Cola posts regular updates on its CSR efforts and also uses the platform for brand localization. Apart from these things, Coca-Cola posts updates and quality control and safety measures and responds to consumer complaints and issues through Facebook. The second one, Twitter. Twitter also boosted boosted the number of Coca-Cola fans and also followers significantly. There are more than 3.31 followers of Coca-Cola on Twitter. Twitter provided some technical benefits in terms of brand marketing. This has helped Coca-Cola define its magic. As you scroll, videos play automatically, and the viewing experience is just unique. Coca-Cola has made more than 212k tweets. In this way, Twitter provides a successful and free platform for advertising. The third one is Instagram. Instagram is one of the latest boomerang social media platform, and Coca-Cola has tapped and this market too. Today, they have 1 million followers and over 480 posts on the Instagram page, and it is growing every day. Coca-Cola has we know is one of the largest beverage company and exports the product in more than 200 countries, and this account for 55% of its sales. Pinterest. Coca-Cola's Pinterest account is really quite interesting as they are only bought that related to a specific Coca-Cola and ad campaign, while the others are all images that focused on random them. It's the kind of thing that's fairly typical of major brands of Pinterest, and it's by the far the least interesting of the six bots. They include some great photos, all of which are taken plus, so none of link back Coca-Cola own websites, which is trap that many brands into. The last one is YouTube. YouTube was the first social media platform Coca-Cola joined. Their first ever YouTube channels went live on January 1, 2006. At present, there are 670,555 subscribers and millions of views on each post. The audience reactions captured in Coca-Cola's sponsor video not only serve to promote Coca-Cola stands, but also presented it such as what way that it's creative and fun. Thank you.
Next is question number 2, which is about identify 5 social media marketing strategy and plan for their business. So the first one is about Coca-Cola Company. Coca-Cola Company has succeeded in attracting millions of fans through the social media platform, which isn't that surprising as it's one of the most recognizable brands in the world. They have reached fans not only nationally or internationally, but also remote places to make an impact. The brand is present across more than 200 nations and is sold in packages of various sizes. Coca-Cola utilizes majority of well-known social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Flickr. The products are priced competitively because the heavy competition in soda industry. By finding ways to motivate its fans and involve them in the future of the company, it's built a Facebook page that continues to see a steady increase in the activity. From Facebook, the Coca-Cola's Facebook page is mostly run by its fans. By posting very little of its own updates, it is letting the fans do the talking. Also, Coca-Cola has fan pages for its other products like Coca-Cola Zero, Diet Coke. Diet Coke has around 2.5 million fans, and Coca-Cola Zero has around 6.8 million fans. Despite the fact that despite the fact that it is updated very rarely. They hardly share an article or two in a month, which has now moved up to two posts minimum every week. From Twitter, Coca-Cola's main Twitter feed has 3.11 million followers and has tweeted 143,000 times, which makes it a very active brand amongst others. It also has dedicated pages for various products and sub-brands including Diet Coke, Coke Zero, and etc. Encouraging fan interaction by posting content such as fill in the blanks, which take users seconds to respond to. They also theme around vague topics such as be together, keep discovering, and be active. They include some great photos, and all of which are taken from Flickr, so none of it links back to Coca-Cola's own websites, which is a trap that many brands fall into. The social team at the company rarely posts any straightforward marketing messages and instead primarily use Twitter to respond to ad mentions. It responds to a lot of complaints, requests, compliments, and etc. But not all the mentions are answered. Many of the mentions go unanswered, but this is a nice strategy rather than pushing out marketing messages. Next is about Nike Company. Other than being innovative in terms of products, product quality and design, it is also innovative in terms of marketing. The brand has made great use of digital marketing to promote its brand and products. The focus is not just on promotions but on customer relationship and engagement. Nike's main focus are the athletes and not just the athletes but everyone connected with sports. It is a maker of sports apparel and shoes. It makes use of sponsorship and sports personalities for promotions and advertising. From Facebook, the photos and videos are related to Nike products and marketing campaigns, and several of them related to the events sponsored around the world by Nike. These photos and videos are shared and liked extensively, and the fans also share their feelings about the Nike product in events on Facebook. When it comes to the marketing, Nike is very creative with the strategy. These photos and videos are full of impact because of the creativity and imagination invested in them. From YouTube, YouTube is a video sharing platform with featuring for sharing, commenting, and liking videos. Videos are major part of Nike's marketing strategy. Apart from its main channel, Nike has other channels like Nike Football and Nike Baseball, each devoted to a different game. Nike's promotional videos are made to inspire energy and enthusiasm. Nike itself is a brand devoted to sports. The focus of these videos is the unending energy that is in every devoted athlete. These videos are made to inspire athletes to push the line farther and to engage the fans. In its main account, Nike has uploaded 275 videos and has more than 671,000 followers. In this way, Nike has got an effective social media strategy that has helped in reach millions of fans and followers globally. From Twitter, they promote brands and products as well as events through their several accounts and regularly tweets to its fans and followers. It publishes its photos and videos of its products and events through the Twitter account. Twitter can be an excellent marketing platform for social media marketers. From Google Plus, they will regularly post photos and videos updates on Google Plus to keep its fans and followers engaged. Followers Plus, on the post, they like and leave their comments. Thus, it uses the platform for promotion and discussion both. The last is about McDonald's. McDonald's is the leading fast food brand of the world. It is mainly managed by its franchises. Apart from other channels of advertising, McDonald's uses social media for marketing and promotions. McDonald's portrayed a humorous, relatable persona across their social media channels. This plays into the strategy of using social media as a friendly way to interact with the current customers and potential brand advocates. From Facebook, the Facebook homes McDonald's largest following with 80 million likes and followers. This platform is more conversational for the brand as it's where most of its customers choose to interact with the brand, but they still keep posts fun and lighthearted. Also, McDonald's has used Facebook mainly for promotion. However, they are not using it solely for promotions. McDonald's also uses it to some extent to address customer services related issues and people's complaints. Does not use the platform to aggressively promotion. The number of posts is generally limited to no more than one a day. So most of them receive like 100 in or 100 or few thousands. From YouTube, promotional video or images which either promote new deals or items on the menu. However, the response from customers is still very good and the level of engagement impressive. McDonald's uses most of this social media platform sparingly in order to avoid a mess which can happen due to too much promotional content. From LinkedIn, attractive strategy to exploit all the benefits that LinkedIn offers. Number of McDonald's followers on LinkedIn is a little higher than 650K. It actively engages its audience on a wide range of topics that most often include opportunities for work and collaboration on other issues. Users linked in to attract attention towards other issues and ignite discussions on topics like supply chain, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. On Instagram, McDonald's utilizes the app's mobile focus by adding a link in their bio to put through the McDonald's app and heavy emoji usage. That's all from me. I'll pass to Shivashkar.
We're now moving on to question 3. Define 5 steps the target market and target audience for online customers in marketing. So for target market is obtain data, uh, then sharpen focus, then engage through relevant content, then retarget to conversion, then refocus branding effort. So for the target audience is conduct market research and then create and classify, then leverage existing customer data, then feature the content customer, then research company. So now moving on to question 4. So identify the type of content that they share on the social media platform. For example, content dedicate, content advice, content convert, and content to their audience. So Nike engages people with rich creative content, motivating stories, and imitating realizations of their products. Nike encourages its audience to just do it by encouraging them and just do it. Learn from the greatest athletes, inspiring stories, and confront their greatest goals. Their captions are also very motivating. People are also encouraged to purchase Nike things as a result of the post. And the next one is Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola is a beverage company that anticipate and satisfy people's thirst and needs by creativity, passion, optimism, and enjoyment. The company also delivers new and creative marketing initiatives for social media marketing and ad campaigns all around the world. The company finds a means to communicate with customers on a more personal, localized level with offerings tailored to the region, culture, and language as well as the most popular needs. The company advertised their brands by casting celebrities like well-known football players, for example, Jogi. This will inspire audience when they see their favorite celebrity in Coca-Cola ads, which shows motivational commercial. This also entertains the audience when they see their favorite celebrity acting in Coca-Cola commercial. Okay. So the next one is McDonald's. So McDonald's market their products using a variety of segments, including psychographic, geographic, and demographic. I'm loving it. Says McDonald's major tagline. McDonald's vision is to sell fresh and healthy products to customers with a positive attitude. McDonald's offers a wide range of products, but its cheeseburger and French fries are particularly well known among customers, which is why they are listed as stars. McDonald's marketing strategies that emphasize the company's offer, flavor, health benefits, menu, and other nutritional benefits assist the customer maintain its position and image. As a result, this type of branding helps them compete in terms of market reach, market share, profitability, and popularity with competitors. McDonald's is one of the top brands or products among others products like Domino's, Pizza Hut, KFC, etc. This is because they advertise their food making in ads with satisfying and extraordinary visuals which attract and entertain customers. So, for me, I will pass to Login.
Thank you, Tivashka. The fifth question is identify five strength and five weaknesses of the platform used by the company. The first one is YouTube. YouTube strength is YouTube channel help you to engage with the rest of the world. You can share your ideas with future generations. You learn how to deal with your haters. May help you to become a famous and also starting YouTube channel is free. Weakness. Other people may steal your ideas. Having a YouTube channel make you a public figure. Privacy concerns. The editing can be annoying and also YouTube is not a get rich a quick scheme. The second company is Facebook. Facebook's strength is Facebook is a low cost marketing strategy. Share basic information about your business. Share pictures and videos from your business. Target advertising and offer deals that Facebook places. Weakness: fake profile, negative feedback, stalking people's limitable products and services, and spreading fake news. Now I pass my slide to Logini. Thank you.
Okay, next is Twitter. The strengths of Twitter is communicating, general leads, showing your brand personality, researching trends, cultivate a brand communicator. The weakness of Twitter is followers limitation, Twitter for business or ridiculous budget. Nothing is going to happen immediately. Beware to the spam. Next is Instagram. The strength of Instagram is about photos. Instagram lets you post your content easily. Instagram gives visual to your business, and also Instagrams allow you respond quickly, and also Instagram can get increase your reach. The weakness of Instagram is not everyone is on Instagram. Limitation on your contents, advantaging is more difficult. Instagram posts don't support clickable links. You cannot go private. Next is Pinterest. Okay, the strength of Pinterest is learn the term, learn the category, run ads and promote pins, increase brand authority, follow competitor trends. The weakness of Pinterest is poor quality goods or service, damage reputations. More reference is always a good thing. The image you use must be very specific. No pay advertisement on Pinterest. Next slide. Okay, question 6. Describe 5 steps of increase e-commerce sales through the social media channel. First is promote on social media. Posting on social media of innovative or useful content with customer. An e-commerce business can pay a sponsor post will ensure their material is seen by not only their existing following but also friends or connection of their followers along with a very specific target audience. So regularly upload a video your customer feedbacks on YouTube channel which help to highlight their product feature in addition to entertaining people and promoting it as a location event and sceneries. Next is promote free shipping. Promote free shipping starter by creating a coupon code that customer can add their checkout page in the order receiving free shipping. The easiest way to simply offer free shipping on all orders. Before doing so, you need to calculate the impact it will have your bottom line. It makes sense offering free shipping to items with a high profit margin or relative small dimension or items that don't weigh much. The third is offer fail sales. A fail sale is when a company sells products at deeply discounted price for a limited time. Next is pin a constants on Pinterest. Pinterest contents work excellently for e-commerce business. They drive up brand awareness and help you reach new audience. These people are likely to make a mental note of things they did love to buy even they even to win. The last step is email marketing. Email marketing can use to promote as a customer who subscribe will get the latest offer and pops item on sale, or if they want to buy other item from business, you can use the information that you get from the agencies to find people who may be interested in what your product service you offer. Next question. Okay, next question, sir. List the step measure social media using return on investment ROI. The first step is define clear social media objective. Second is set smart goal. Third is track the right performance metrics. Fourth is calculate how much spent on social media. Fifth is create an ROI report. That's all from us. Thank you.